I want to show you this single serve coffee maker. This is a small, very lightweight unit. It'd be really good in an apartment, a college dorm room, motorhome, traveling, anywhere that you want a single serve, easy to use, quick to make cup of coffee. Let me show you how this thing works. Fill up a cup with water. Open up the top. See the reservoir? Pour our water in. Close the lid. Place our cup underneath. The water heats up very quickly and it starts to make your cup of coffee almost instantly. It's filling up my cup with coffee pretty quickly. And the light turns off automatically when your coffee is complete. Very nice. Hope this unit works as well for you as it has for me.